Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the main control board in your dishwasher, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the lower access panel. Set the panel aside. Use channel lock pliers to loosen the elbow fitting, securing the water supply line to the inlet valve. Fully unthread the elbow fitting. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and unthread the two screws securing the dishwasher mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Rotate the front legs clockwise to lower the front. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, rotate the rear leg adjusting rod counterclockwise to lower the rear of the dishwasher. Now gently pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Depending on the length of the power supply cord, you may need to detach the cord from the junction box. To do this, unthread the screw to release the junction box cover. Note the orientation of the power wires and the grounding wire. Then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Have an assistant help you to lift up the front of the appliance and support it. Unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief and cord from the junction box. Remove the support. Pull the dishwasher forward enough to access the rear. Unthread the two screws to release the control board cover. Move the cover out of the way and pull the control board housing down to detach. Detach the left side wire connector cover and cut the zip tie securing the wires. Flip the wire retaining flaps down. Note the orientation of all of the wire connectors. Then disconnect them. When installing the new main control board, first connect all of the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Secure the retaining flaps. Use a new zip tie to secure the wires on the left side. Snap the wire connector cover into place. If necessary, reposition the metal insert. Align the control board housing tabs with the slots in the base, then lift up the housing to snap it into place. Realign the control board cover and thread the screws to secure. If necessary, support the front of the appliance. Fully position the power supply cord and strain relief in the junction box. Then thread and tighten the strain relief nut. Remove the support. Join the black wires together, the white wires together, and the green grounding wires together, and secure them with the wire nuts. With the wires positioned inside the junction box, realign the cover and rethread the screw. Confirm that the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall, and the water supply line is positioned in the channel in the base. Now gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Extend the front leveling legs if necessary. Rotate the adjusting rod clockwise to extend the rear leg. Rethread the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Thread the water supply line elbow fitting onto the inlet valve port and tighten. Realign the lower access panel and rethread the screws to secure. Turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.